what's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back to logfurnitureHowto.com. Guys, we got a lot going on out in the shop today. It's been a busy couple of weeks. We've got many projects in the works. I just don't have this week's video edited yet. For this week's project video, take a quick look. It's a sled that we've made to hold and cut these big timbers for our upcoming art project. With our new saw over there. We've also got a bunch of these big park benches in the works over here. Finishing them up for our city contract. We've got another cool matching set back here. Check this out. Cool live edge mantle. Shelf. Let's take a closer look. Got this matching live edge shelf that'll go with it. Check that out. So guys, it's shaping up to be a busy spring and summer. I've got a lot of projects in the works. Thought it'd be kind of fun today to just show you a couple quick clips of some upcoming videos. Check it out. We're out here working on next week's video this morning, man, and now we put the hand-hewn edge on it using our draw knife. Never fails. If it's not one thing, it's another. Welcome back. You ready to play a little game? Let's play What's in the Box. Got a couple of pieces of cherry right there. We're gonna have some fun with this. Check it out. Clear that post. I gotta use both hands. It's a good thing we found these. We're gonna be running these through our planer later. Just as easy as that. Alright guys, so I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at some of the upcoming videos. If you haven't done so already, be sure to click subscribe. I'll have this new video I don't know, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Be watching for it, and we'll keep the videos rolling this summer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Later. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next time.